Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we have something extraordinary to talk about: the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. If you're looking for the perfect combination of luxury, performance, and adventure, this might just be your dream vehicle. Let's dive right in. Motorhome details. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome blends heavy-duty power with all the comforts you need on the road. Built on the iconic Kenworth W900 chassis, it's designed for long-haul journeys with a touch of elegance. This powerhouse is powered by a 12.9-liter engine, offering up to 500 horsepower to ensure you get wherever you're going, in style and speed. Exterior. Let's talk about the exterior. This thing looks like a king on wheels. The sleek, aerodynamic design is paired with polished chrome accents, giving it a premium look. The oversized windows not only add style but provide panoramic views of the road or scenic landscapes. And with its heavy-duty suspension, this beast rides as smooth as it looks. Interior. Inside, it's like stepping into your very own luxury home on wheels. The spacious living area boasts high-end finish, from leather seating to solid wood cabinetry. There's a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a full-sized fridge and microwave, and even a state-of-the-art entertainment system. Whether you're resting or entertaining guests, it's all about comfort and functionality. Comfort level. The comfort level in the W900 is simply next level. The bedroom suite feels like a 5-star hotel room, with a king-sized bed and soft linens. The bathroom has a full-sized shower and sleek fixtures. Plus, with climate control and noise insulation, you'll always feel like you're in the lap of luxury, no matter where the road takes you. Performance. As for performance, the Kenworth W900 doesn't disappoint. The powerful engine and advanced transmission make tackling any terrain a breeze, from steep hills to smooth highways. And thanks to its heavy-duty construction, it's built for durability, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride for years to come. Conclusion. All in all, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is a dream machine for those who want the perfect blend of power, luxury, and adventure. It offers all the comforts of home, with the performance to take you wherever your heart desires. If you're looking to make your next adventure unforgettable, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this one.